Thank you for choosing Illinois Mutual to help complete your voluntary benefits portfolio. This video will give you an overview of the process for quoting and enrolling a worksite group with us, as well as some tips to help your cases be processed quickly. First, please fill out the Insurance Proposal Request form and send this to your worksite sales team. We will verify the type of business and then send you setup paperwork for the group. Once this information is submitted back to us, you will receive plan design pages tailored to the group to assist you in the enrollment process. When enrolling employees, we recommend submitting apps electronically through EasyAppsOnline. Using this portal helps your case underwriting go more smoothly by requiring all necessary fields, resulting in more complete applications and faster decisions compared to paper apps. Your worksite sales team will offer you one-on-one training on EasyAppsOnline. Reach out to them to schedule a meeting today. We do understand that there are some instances where taking paper applications could be a convenient way to quickly gather information from potential clients. If you intend to use paper applications, here are some tips to help your case go quickly. Be sure to answer the replacement question for each worksite product the employee is applying for. Replacing coverage means the employee already has insurance coverage for that product, and they intend to discontinue that coverage once the Illinois Mutual coverage is effective. All demographic information must be complete and accurate. If one person is applying for several types of coverage, ensure that their name is listed the exact same way on all applications. Also, don't forget to include apartment numbers and addresses. At least one primary beneficiary must be named. This can be updated in the future, but you must specify an initial beneficiary on the application. Insured's estate is acceptable when a primary beneficiary is not known at the time. Even if you know the case will be guaranteed issue coverage, it's smart to have the client answer medical questions anyway. Be sure to complete both the simplified issue and modified issue questions if the client is applying for higher benefit levels. Accurately indicating potential clients' tobacco or nicotine use status is important, so it's vital not to miss this question. Thank you again for choosing Illinois Mutual to help complete your worksite voluntary benefits portfolio. If you have any questions about the worksite process, please don't hesitate to reach out to your worksite sales team via phone or email. Good luck on your next case.